Hey guys, here with a gorgeous, fuel-efficient 2021 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XSE with tech package. It does come with the upgraded black alloy wheels, as well as the black trim around the fenders and at the bottom of the doors, finished in a gorgeous silver main color with black painted roof, dual exhaust. Does have the Toyota towing package on there as well. Does come with a set of carpet and rubber floor mats, power trunk, folding split rear seats. As you can see, we've put new brakes on it, good tires. Does have a combination of leather and cloth seating inside. Front seats are heated steering wheel, heated windshield as well. Do have a digital cluster as part of the tech package. Dual zone climate control. You do have an infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a digital back and rear view mirror, and a nice power sunroof. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to call Frost Cadillac